Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to remove deleted items from your favorites in Outlook on PC, following the latest update. If you've been wondering how to tidy up your favorites section, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. This is the web-based version of Outlook, so make sure you're accessing it through your preferred browser. Once you're logged in, take a moment to locate the navigation panel on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, at the top of this panel, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Click on it to expand the menu and reveal additional options. This step ensures that all folders, including deleted items, are visible within your Favorites section. Now find the Deleted Items folder under Favorites. To the right of it, you'll see 3 vertical dots. These dots represent more actions that can be performed on this folder. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Remove from Favorites. Once you click this option, the Deleted Items folder will no longer appear in your Favorites list. Don't worry, this action only removes the shortcut from Favorites. The folder itself and its contents remain intact in your main folder list. And that's it. You've successfully removed deleted items from your Favorites in Outlook on PC. This process is quick and straightforward, helping you keep your workspace organized and focused on the folders you use most frequently. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time for more useful Outlook tutorials.